When Nitin teamed with Chandrasekhar Yeleti, everyone got interested as both are known for different genre entertainers. The trailer and teaser of Check created a lot of interest. Let us see how the film fared at the box office. Coming to the storyline, Aditya, a white-collar criminal, falls in love with a beautiful girl, Yatra. As they are enjoying their love life, he gets a shock when NIA arrests him for bomb blasts and terrorist activities. He is sent to Chanchalguda jail and lawyers decide not to argue his case. At that time, a young lawyer, Shruti, takes up his case as her father forces her. She gets confused as Aditya is unable to tell the whereabouts of her lover, Yatra. In the midst of all this, he develops an interest in the game of chess thanks to another prisoner. To find out how game of chess is related to the story and connection of SI Commissioner Narasimha Reddy, enjoy Check on silver screen. Nitin played the role of Aditya, while Priya Prakash Warrior, the wing sensation, played the girl of Yatra in the film. Rakul Preet Singh played the role of lawyer and Posani Krishnamurli played her father's role. Sai Chen played the role of the prisoner, while Murli Sharma and Sampath Raj played the role of SI and Commissioner Narasimha Reddy. Coming to the performances, Nitin, who is known for his lover boy roles, tried a different role in this film. He played the role of a criminal with ease. His body language and expressions are good and he emoted well. He tried his best to carry the film on his shoulders. However, his role is not created with conviction by the director. This resulted in Nitin just passing through the motions. A lot of interest is generated over wing sensation Priya Prakash Warrior's presence in the film. She is okay in her role, but much to the disappointment of the movie lovers, she failed to attract either with her looks or performance. She got very less scope for performance. Rakul Preet Singh played the role of a lawyer and it looked as though she just passed through the motions. She is okay in her role but could have come with better expressions and emotions. Posani Krishnamurli is good in his role and evoked few laughs. Murli Sharma is perfect in his role as a jailer with a good heart. Sampath Raj is good in his role as a tough commissioner with a vengeful mind. Sai Chen made his presence felt with a prisoner obsessed with the game of chess. Harshavardhan is okay in his role of a prisoner who made few laughs with the astrological predictions. Director Chandrasekhar Yeleti tried to generate interest correlating the game of chess with day-to-day happenings. It starts on an interesting note, but quickly the story and narration lose the intensity. Though he did not deviate from the story in the name of commercial elements, he left many drags and loopholes, and the slow narration tested the patience of the viewers. To the top of it, lack of clarity and twists turned the film into just an average grosser. Except for a few twists here and there and interval and climax scenes, the film did not generate much interest and failed to live up to the expectations generated by the teasers and trailers. Rahul Srivastav, with his cinematography, beautified the scenes. He captured the scenic locations in a beautiful manner and his deft use of camera angles. The music of Kalyani Malik is okay. Songs are few and situational but didn't make much impact. However, he has elevated the scenes with his background music. Chandrasekhar Yeleti could have worked on the story, script, screenplay and direction for better impact. Production values are good. Overall, Check offers only a few thrills and fails to checkmate.